Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Discord tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to underline text in Discord. This is actually quite simple. First I open Discord and here we already find some text. Discord already offers some simple options for formatting text that you may be familiar with. Select the text and choose the appropriate formatting from the context menu. However, it is not possible to underline text from here. To do this, we need to insert a double underline before and after the desired text. As soon as I have done this, Discord already gives me a preview of how it will look. And when I send the message, now we will see that I can easily underline text in Discord. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.